Okay, this is problem 11C from the Algebra 1, Semester 1 study guide. We're going to use linear regression to write an equation that best fits this set of data here. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find the balance point. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the year and make it years since 2000. That means I'm going to kind of get rid of all that. There we go. So now 1 represents 2001, 2 represents 2002, and so on. So now I'm going to find the balance point. So I'm going to add up all the x's and divide by how many there are. And then I'm going to do the same thing with the y's. So that's going to take me just a second here. So I get 4. And 780 and 57 hundredths. Okay, so there's my balance point. I'm going to come over to my graph and I'm going to plot that. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 10 marks. So it looks like I'm going to have to go by hundreds on my y-axis. So that is going to be 100 there. 2, 3, 4, 500 there. 6, 7, 800, 900. There we go. And I'm going to make my x's just go by ones. Alright, so I'll just come over and plot some of these. So 1, 6, 79, about right there. 2, 652. Right there, 3, 6, 98. Okay, not the best with my fat pen, but it'll do. So I'm going to change colors. I'm going to plot the balance point in black here. So the balance point's at 4, 780. So kind of in that vicinity. So I'm going to come in here and I'm going to make a line of best fit. So that best fits this data. We'll go... I don't like that one. I'll try another one. Okay, I don't mind that one. That one looks alright. So your line of best fit has to go through the balance point. So now we're just going to write an equation for that line. The easiest point to use is obviously the balance point, because that's for sure what it goes through. And then always use the y-intercept. You're going to have to estimate another point no matter what. Why not estimate the y-intercept? So I think the y-intercept looks to be, I don't know, 0, we'll say 575. Boom. So now all I have to do is find the slope between the y-intercept and the balance point, and that'll be the slope of my line. So I'm going to go... Whoop, mistake here. I got to do the y's first. So I'm going to do 780 and 57 hundredths minus 575. And then I'm going to subtract the y's. I'm going to do 4 minus 0. Okay, now that's going to give me 80 actually going to divide that. And I get a slope of 51 and 39/100. So now I can easily write my equation because I know my y-intercept. It's right there. So y equals 51.39x plus 575. And that is my equation for my line of best fit. So I'm going to use that to predict coffee sales for the year 2017. So since this equation has x being years since 2000, I'm just going to plug in 17 for x. I'm just going to do that in my calculator here. Times 17 plus 575. So in 2017, we're predicted to have about 1,448. So over $1 million in coffee sales, because coffee sales in thousands here. So anyway, any questions, ask in class.